ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद. In this we are seeing 20th mantra. एष उ एव बृहस्पतिर वाग्वै बृहति तस्या एष पतिः तस्मादु बृहस्पतिः. वाक् is called बृहति and बृहत्याः पतिः is बृहस्पति. In Tika we have to see page number 127, second last line in Tika. बृहस्पतिर देवानां पुरोहित आसीत् इति श्रुतेः. देव पुरोहितो बृहस्पतिरुच्यते. तत्कथं प्राणस्य बृहस्पतित्वम् इति शंकते. Somebody says we have heard in Shruti, in Vedas, Brihaspati is Devanam Purohitah. Devata's priest is called Brihaspati. Iti Shrute. So Deva Purohito is Deva Purohita is Devanam Purohitah. Deva Purohitah is Brihaspati Uchyate. Then how do you say Prana is Brihaspati? Pranasya Brihaspatitvam Katham iti shankate. Katham Brihaspatihi iti. In Bhashya, Katham Brihaspati. टीका. देव पुरोहितं व्यावर्तयितुम् उत्तरवाक्येन उत्तरम् आह. देव पुरोहितं व्यावर्तयितुम्. So here we are not talking about prana as Brihaspati means Deva Purohita. We are not referring to Deva Purohita. So that Vyavartanam is done here. Tad Vyavartayitum Uttarvakyena, by the next sentence, Uttara is given. Uchyate. Vag vai Brihati. Brihati means Brihati Chandaha. Vag is Brihati Chanda. Brihati Chanda has 36 letters. Shatrimshat Akshara. Vag vai Brihati. Brihati Chandaha. Shatrimshat Akshara. टीका. प्रसिद्ध वचनम कथम इति आशंक्याः बृहति छंद. बृहति छंद has 36 letters. This is mainly used in Vedas. सप्तहि गायत्र्यादीनि प्रधानानि छंदांसि तेषां मध्यमं छंदो बृहति इत्युच्यते. There are 7 primary chandas in Vedas. Saptahi Gayatriadini Pradhanani Chandansi. Pradhana chanda. Among them, the Madhyama Chanda is Brihati. See second number Tippani. गायत्री उष्णिक अनुष्टुप बृहति पंक्ति त्रिष्टुप जगति. Instead of pankti, panktikah is given. Pankti is also said. And this you have to remember. Gayatri in this order. Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtup. You have to remember this way. Brihati is in the middle of the seven. And Gayatri is the first one. That is known. Okay. So now Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtup. Anushtup is the third one. And sixth one is Trishtup. Brihati, Pankti, Trishtup. And Jagat is at the end. Somehow you have to remember seven in the order. Anushtup and Trishtup, they both are used in like Bhagavad Gita, etc. So Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtup, Brihati, Pankti, Trishtup, Jagati, in this way. So Brihati is in the middle. That is what Tikakar says. Of the Pradhana Chanda, Saptahi Gayatriadini Pradhanani Chandansi. Tesham Madhyamam Chando Brihati Ityuchyate. Middle one is Brihati. Sacha Brihati Shatrimshad Akshara Prasiddha Ityartha. This Brihati is Shatrimshad Akshara. So Brihati has 36 letters. Bhavatu Yathokta Brihati. तथापि कथम वाग वै बृहति इत्युक्तम तत्र आह. Bhavatu Yathokta Brihati. Let there be this Brihati, as you have said, is with 36 letters. Three Shatrimshad Akshara Brihati Bhavatu. Tathapi Katham Vagvai Brihati. But how do you say Vak is Brihati? Speech is Brihati and Vakpati is Brihaspati. So Vakpati is Prana. Therefore Brihaspati is Prana. How do you say that? So Vak itself is Brihati. How did you come out with this? Iti Uktam Tatra Aha. Anushtup cha Vak. Vak is Anushtup. Katham Vagva Anushtup iti Shrute. Because there is a Veda mantra which says Vag is Anushtup. You have to explain why Vag is Brihati. So first he says Vag is Anushtup. Sacha Vag Anushtup Brihatyam Chandasi Antarbhavati. Sacha Vag, this Vag Anushtup Brihatyam Chandasi Antarbhavati. There is Antarbhava of this. Anushtup Vag. Sacha Anushtup Vag Brihatyam Chandasi Antarbhavati. Its Antarbhava is there in Brihati Chanda. How Antarbhava is there? Because Anushtup Chanda has how many aksharas? 24. 32. 8 in each. And Brihati has 36. So 32 has Antarbhava in 36. In this way, Anushtup Vak Brihatyam Chandasi Antarbhavati. Anushtup Vak has Antarbhava in Brihati Chanda. Like a Drishtanta is given, if somebody says, I have 500 rupees. So then somebody will ask, do you have 200 rupees? So 200 rupees will be have Antarbhava in 500. If 500 is there, 200 is already there. Like that, if Brihati is there, Anushtup is already included. ठीक है. All the smaller things are included in the big. सर्वे पदा अस्ति पदे निमग्ना. साच बृहति टीका. साच बृहति षट्त्रिंशत् अक्षरा प्रसिद्धा इत्यर्थः. बृहति षट्त्रिंशत् अक्षरा. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन. द्वात्रिंशत् अक्षरा तावत् अनुष्टुप् इष्टा. सो अनुष्टुभ इति भकारांत and anuštub ishta, because later also you will see द्वात्रिंशद अक्षरा तावत् अनुष्टुप इष्टा. सा च अष्टाक्षरैः चतुर्भिः पादैः षट्त्रिंशत् अक्षरायां बृहत्याम् अंतर्भवति. अवान्तर संख्यायाः महासंख्यायाम् अंतर्भावात् इत्याह. द्वात्रिंशद अक्षरा तावत् अनुष्टुप इष्टा. अनुष्टुप is known ishta to have 32 letters. सा च अष्टाक्षरैः चतुर्भिः पादैः षट्त्रिंशद अक्षरायां बृहत्याम् अंतर्भवति. That अष्टाक्षरैः चतुर्भिः पादैः. So those 32 are divided into 4 padas, with each pada having 8 अक्षरस. अष्टाक्षरैः चतुर्भिः पादैः षट्त्रिंशत् अक्षरायाम् अंतर्भवति. It is included in 36 lettered बृहत्याम. षट्त्रिंशत् अक्षरायां बृहत्याम अंतर्भवति. अवान्तर संख्यायाः महासंख्यायाम् अंतर्भावात्. अवान्तर संख्या will have अंतर्भाव in महासंख्या इत्याह. सा च वाग् अनुष्टुप् बृहत्यां छन्दसि अंतर्भवति. टीका. वाग् अनुष्टुभोः. वाग् अनुष्टुभोः अनुष्टुप् बृहत्योः च उक्तम् ऐक्यम् उपजीव्य फलितम् आह. वाग् अनुष्टुभोः. So अनुष्टुप् is the second one. तयोः. वाग् अनुष्टुभोः षष्ठी द्विवचनम्. वाक् च अनुष्टुप् च. तयोः वाग् अनुष्टुभोः. Of these two, वाग् and अनुष्टुप् छन्द. अनुष्टुभोः. अनुष्टुप् बृहत्योः च, and अनुष्टुप् and बृहति. अनुष्टुप् बृहत्योः च उक्तम् ऐक्यम्. Their ऐक्यम् is uktam. Uktam ऐक्यम्. अनुष्टुप् बृहत्योः, there will become ba. Okay, अनुष्टुप् बृहत्योः, because of the, what is the sutra there? Anushtup Bruhatyo. What is that? Yalan Jaswante will make Anushtub to Anushtub. Bruhatyoho cha Uktam Aikyam. So Vak and Anushtub Chanda, their oneness. Their Anushtub and Brihati, their oneness. So Vak is Anushtub, Anushtub is included in Brihati, therefore Vak is Brihati. In this way, Vak is Brihati. ऐक्यम उपजीव्य फलितमाह. अतः अतो युक्तम वाग् वै बृहति इति प्रसिद्धवद उक्तम. वाग् वै बृहति, this is प्रसिद्धवद उक्तम. This is very well known. Prasiddhavat means it is accepted that you know what Vag is Brihati. But how it is? Vag is Anushtub. Anushtub is included in Brihati. Therefore, Vag is Brihati. भवतु वागात्मिका बृहति तथापि तत्पतित्वेन प्राणस्य कथं ऋक्पतित्वम् इति आशंक्य आह। भवतु वागात्मिका बृहति, लेट दिस बृहति छंद बी वाग रूप। Actually brihati chanda means all chandas are included as brihati. Brihati is the probably biggest chanda primarily used in Veda of the others. Therefore in that all mantras of Vedas are included. Therefore it is said speech is brihati. In brihati everything is included. So bhavatu vagatmika brihati tathapi तत्पतित्वेन प्राणस्य कथम ऋक्पतित्वम। तथापि तत्पतित्वेन बृहस्पतित्वेन प्राणस्य ऋक्पतित्वम। So now rig mantras if you take, then prana will become rikpati. Sama, next mantra will talk about sama. So there Yajuhu. So then Yajuspati in this way. Katham Rukpatitvam iti ashankyaha Brihatyam cha, in the Pratika Anuswara is missing. Brihatyan cha iti. Brihatyan cha sarva rucho antarbhavanti prana samstutatvat. Brihatyam sarva rucho antarbhavati. All the rig, all the richa, they are included in brihati. Antarbhavanti. Why prana samstutatvat? Because there prana stuti is done. Prana is the one which is being praised. In Tika. Sarvatmaka prana rupena brihatyaha stutatvat. Tatra sarvasam rucham antarbhavaha sambhavati. Sarvatmaka prana rupena brihatyaha stutatvat. Prana is sarvatmaka rupa. Sarvatmaka prana rupena brihatyaha stutatvat. This brihati stuti is done. Stutatvat. Tatra sarvasam richam, in all the riches, antarbhavaha sambhavati. Antarbhava sambhavati. Kasyaha?
Brihatyam.
Brihatyaha. Brihatyaha antarbhavaha sambhavati. Sarvasam richam brihatyaha antarbhava. Tasmat pranasya brihaspatitve siddham rikpatitvam ityartha. Ityartha. If prana is brihaspati, prana is also rikpati. Pranasya brihaspatitve siddham rikpatitvam. So the previous line you understand properly. Sarvatmaka prana. Prana is sarvatmaka rupa. Sarvatmaka prana rupena brihatyaha stutatvat. Tatra, so brihati is praised as sarvatmaka prana stutatvat. Tatra sarvasam richam antarbhava. In brihati all richas are included, all Veda mantras are included, and because through brihati sarvatmaka prana is praised, therefore prana is brihaspati rupa. See, brihati is speech, right? Vak. Brihati is speech. That speech is used to praise prana. Therefore, prana is the pati. Earlier we saw in different way that prana is the anganam rasaha angi rasa. So prana is nourishing the vak in one way. Now what is said? Vak is praising prana. Vak is brihati. That is praising prana. Therefore it is brihatyaha pati. Therefore it is brihaspati. If prana is brihaspati, therefore prana is also rikpati. Means what is being said, prana is sarva vedatmaka rupa. Like earlier we saw, prana is karya karana sanghata atma. Right? We saw that it is the self of karya karana sangha, sthula sharira and sukshma sharira, indriya, etc. Three things were said: nama, rupa, karma. So from that, rupa is sthula sharira. Yesterday we saw. Karma is jnana and karma, indriya, etc. And this nama is the Veda part, all the speech. So that is also prana rupa only. Means prana is atma of that also. Then prana will become atma of nama, rupa, karma, all three. Therefore, prana is sarvatmaka. This is being shown here. They could have used only one mantra and said prana is sarvatmaka and it is over. All these and so many kinds of upasana and prana is bharta, prana is sreshtha, prana is the puroganta, prana is apapavidha. So many things are explained in different ways to glorify Hiranyagarbha. Then it is said the one who has vairagya from this also is eligible for moksha. Otherwise, we will not have the mahatva of moksha. Like if somebody is shown, lot of property, this, that, so much Aishwarya, Aishwarya, Aishwarya. Then it said the one who has vairagya from all this is called Ihaloka, Paraloka, Virakta. Then we will have some idea. All this I have to leave to get moksha? Yes. When we don't see things, then we don't have idea what all things we have to let go in order to attain moksha. When we are shown so many things, and say even this is not enough. Even Hiranyagarbha is in samsara. For that, all this, because in the beginning of next section, Bhashakara is going to start in this way, that all of this is still within samsara. Brahma bhuvana lokaha punaravarti norjuna. Up to that, still there is punaravartana. So we suddenly find Tattva Bodha and we read and we say, oh, okay, Ihaloka, Paraloka. So we think they are just talking about something. Our Vairagya definition is very limited. Gradually we understand what they are expecting from us. Otherwise, anybody will get moksha only, then moksha is so cheap. Prana rupena stuta brihati iti atra pramanam aha. Prana rupena brihati is stuta, is praised. In that, what is the pramanam? Prano brihati, prana richa, ityeva vidyat. Up to this is the quotation. Iti shrutyantara. Prano brihati, prana rucha, iti vidyat. Iti shrutyantara. So these are all Vedic vakyas. तथापि प्राणस्य विवक्षितं ऋगात्मत्वं कथं सिद्ध्यति इत्याशंक्याः. Still, prana is rig swarupa. Pranasya ऋगात्मत्वं कथं सिद्ध्यति इति आशङ्काः। प्राण ऋचः, that second quotation you have to use here. प्राणो बृहति प्राण ऋचः। तस्य तदात्मत्वे हेत्वन्तरम् आह। तस्य तदात्मत्वे, तस्य प्राणस्य तदात्मत्वे ऋगात्मत्वे। प्राण is ऋगात्म, in that another hetu is given, हेत्वन्तरम्। अन्यो हेतुः हेत्वन्तरम्। वागात्मत्वाच्च ऋचां प्राणे अंतर्भावः। That's how you read that. वागात्मत्वाच्च ऋचां प्राणे अंतर्भावः। rig mantras, they are also included in prana. All the richa, they are included in prana because they are also vagatma swarupa, vak swarupa only. तासां तदात्मत्वे अपि कथं प्राणे अंतर्भावो नहि घटो मृदात्मा पटे अंतर्भवति इति शंकते। तासां तदात्मत्वे अपि कथं प्राणे अंतर्भावो, तासां तदात्मत्वे, तासां
वागादीनां ऋचां
तासां ऋचां तदात्मत्वे वागात्मत्वे। In the bhashya what is given? Vagatmatvacha ऋचां, ऋच are vagatmat, so तासां तदात्मत्वे ऋचां वागात्मत्वे अपि कथं प्राणे अंतर्भाव। Even if all the rig mantras are vak swarupa, how their antarbhava is there in prana, katham prane antarbhavo nahi ghato mrudatma pate antarbhavati iti shankate। Ghata is having mrit as its atma, mrit atma yasya सह घटः मृदात्मा पटे कथम अंतर्भवति न अंतर्भवति, it is not included in pata. So like there are three things here, घट मृद and pata. Ghata can be mridatma rupa, Ghata is included in mrid but not in pata. Like that here what are the, in the Ashtanta what are the three things?
Prana, Vak,
rig, rig, vak, prana. Rig are included in prana, in vak, like mrid is included in ghata, is included in mrid. Like that rich is rig mantras are included in vak. But how their antarbhava is in prana? Prana is different. कथम प्राणे अंतर्भावो नहीं घटो मृदात्मा पटे अंतर्भवति इति शंकते तत्कथम इत्याह। तस्या वाचो बृहत्या ऋच एष प्राणपतिः तस्या निर्वर्तकत्वात्। तत्कथम, हाउ दैट इज पॉसिबल इत्याह। तस्या वाचो बृहत्या ऋच एष प्राणपतिः तस्याः निर्वर्तकत्वात्। सो वाचः तस्याः बृहत्याः ऋचः एष प्राणः पतिः। In Tika, it is explained further. First you see this vakya, pranasya वांग निष्पादकत्वात् तद भूतानां ऋचाम कारणे प्राणे युक्तो अंतर्भाव। प्राण इज प्राणस्य वांग निष्पादकत्वात्, prana does nishpadanam of vak, means speech is able to talk because of prana. Pranasya vang nishpadakatvat tad bhutanam richam karane prane yukto antarbhava. So tad bhuta is richa, vak bhuta, vak rupa is rig mantra. Here antarbhav will be there in its karana, which is prana. Aha ityadi. So tasya vacho brihatya richa esha pranapati. Prana is the pati of brihatya. Brihatya pati. Richaha. And Rig Veda's mantras are also included in that. In Hindi, if they have given easier statement, उस बृहति वाणी रूपी वृचाओं का यह ही पति है, उत्पत्ति स्थिति हेतु है, क्योंकि उस वाणी का प्राण निष्पादक है। बृहति वाणी रूपी ऋचाओं का, बृहति वाणी वाचो बृहत्या ऋचः, ऑल ऑफ देम समानाधिकरण, वाचो बृहत्या ऋचः एष प्राणपति। तस्या निर्वर्तकत्वा, हाउ ही इज पति, बिकॉज ही इज निर्वर्तक। इन 1 नंबर टिप्पणी, उत्पत्ति स्थिति हेतु। टीका, प्राणस्य तन्निर्वर्तकत्वे अपि न तस्मिन् वाचो अंतर्भाव। Even if prana is their nirvartaka, तन्निर्वर्तकत्वे अपि न तस्मिन् वाचो अंतर्भावो, नहि घटस्य कुलाले अंतर्भाव। So घटस्य अंतर्भाव is in मृत, but not in kulala. प्राणस्य, प्राण can be nirvartaka, न तस्मिन् वाचो अंतर्भावो, वाक अंतर्भाव is not there in that. Just like घट is not included in kulala. Kulala is different. इति आशंक्याः कौष्ठ्य अग्नि प्रेरित मारुत निर्वर्त्या हिरक। ऋग्वेद, what is ऋग मंत्र? कौष्ठ्य, कुष्ठे भव, कोष्ठे भव, कौष्ठ्य. कोष्ठ means stomach. Koष्ठ here means stomach. Inside the stomach that Agni is there. कोष्ठ, in टीका, कोष्ठनिष्ठेन अग्निना प्रेरित तद्गतो वायुः ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन् कंठादिभिः अभिहन्यमानो वर्णतया व्यज्यते तदात्मिका च वांग निर्णीता. How the speech comes out? That Agni produces Vayu. That Vayu comes up and hits the Kantha, Talu, Murdhanya, Oshtha, Danta, etc. and some sound comes out. For some people, it always hits the nasal only. So all their words will be nasal. Others, it comes out in different ways. Kanthadibihi abhihanyamano. This is called Shabda Janaka Sanyoga. That Sanyoga will happen. Varnataya Vyajyate. Tadatmika cha Vang Nirnita. That kind of speech is expressed. Devatadhikarana Rikcha Vagatmika Ukta. Devatadhikarana Nyaya is there. This is in Brahma Sutra. See in 10 number tippani. Sharirakiya Prathamadhyaya Tritiya Pade 1.3. There Rigved is Vagatmika Ukta. There Devatadhikarane Rikcha Vagatmika Ukta. Tad Yuktam Tasyaha Prane Antarbhutatvam. Therefore Vak Rigatmika Vag is included in Prana. We'll just complete this sentence. Rigatmatvam pranasya prakarantarena sadhayati. Also in different ways, prana is rigatma. Palanat va vachaha patihi. Pranena hi palyate vak. And the one who does palanam is called patihi. Vak is protected by prana. His palanam is done. Pranena hi vak palyate. Apranasya shabdocharana samarthya abhavat. Where prana is not there, shabdocharana samarthya is also not there. Satta pradatve sati sthapakatvam tadatmya vyaptam iti abhipretya upasamharati. Satta pradatve sati, the one who is giver of satta, sthapakatvam tadatmya vyaptam iti abhipretya upasamharati. Tasmat u brihaspatir rucham prana atma ityartha. So prana is this. Satta pradatve sthati sthapakah. Prana has satta pradatvam and sthapakatvam. And therefore, it is atma of Vak. Vak is Rig Sarupa. So tasmat brihaspatihi rucham prana atma ityartha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.